Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to find your game Playtime on your PlayStation 5 account on your PlayStation 5. This is going to be a nice, quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing you need to do is have your PlayStation 5 turned on. You need to be logged into the account you want to view the details of. From this point, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be starting from our dashboard right here. We're going to be clicking up one to go to the top menu. By default here, you'll have games highlighted. And we're going to be clicking to the right a few times until we see our profile user on the top right highlighted. Once this is done, we're going to be clicking the X button to open this up. Here we will get this expanded menu. What we're going to be doing is coming down here one extra option. We're going to be coming to the profile tab, and then we're going to be clicking X here again to open this up. So from here, we'll get an overview of some of the information about our account. What we're going to be doing is staying here on the overview tab here at the top, and you can click R1 or you can click one to the right and you can come to your game section. And here we can see a list of all of our recently played games, and they are filtered by most recently played. However, next to each game, you can see the total playtime for this game, so you can really easily refer to each game. So for example, with Phoenix Rising, this is my most recent game. I currently have about 19 hours. After this, it's Ratchet & Clank Rift Apart. I played about 22 hours of this, and you can slowly work down your list. Sadly, I have not found a way to filter this list just yet. However, having it like this is better than nothing, so you can really easily refer to any game that you want to check. For example, with God of War, I've spent 52 hours, and this is one of the largest games I played recently. But you can really easily come in here, refer to the game you want, and see your total playtime for that game, and it's a really nice option and feature to have, and it's not too hard to find inside your PlayStation 5. Anyway guys, it's as easy as that to see your total playtime of games on your PlayStation 5. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you find these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.